it's time to make the box for the ornament. And this box has an insert that'll hold the ornament in place. So that the bow doesn't get smushed, and it makes a nice little presentation if it's a gift, and it's good for storage. The box is made out of Cricut Kraftboard, and I use the white color. I've already cut the design, and you can see I have 2 boxes, 2 inserts and 2 boxes, and I did add some gift tags because I had some extra space. And if you want to get really creative, you could actually write with the Cricut pens on the gift tags. So I'm going to flip my mat over, and I'm going to peel the mat back and away from the Kraftboard. And I'm just holding it down as I peel so that nothing tears. And that's fine. Okay, let's move this out of the way and get this last thing off. Okay, so all I really care about right now are 1 box and 1 insert. So let's get that off. And if it didn't go all the way through, you can either take an X-Acto knife, whoops, sorry Murphy, or scissors and clip it. There. Okay, so now let's clear everything out of the way. After removing the Kraftboard from the mat, you want to take 1 box and 1 insert. Let's start with the box first. And I find it easier to do these first and then those. So I have the maker, so I have the double scoring wheel. So every single one of these is going to be bent toward the score line. Okay. And now I'm going to bend this tab in. And it's kind of nice if you have fingernails, because you can kind of put your fingernails on the line and bend it this way. Okay, so now everything is bent. You want to make sure the tabs are on the inside as we fold it this way, because we're going to put glue along the insides. Now to do the box, I'm going to first do this side right here. So I'm going to hold this and take my glue gun. It's good and warm. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue there. Bring it around. Carefully line up the corners and push. Hold it tight. Okay, so now let's do this side. So I'm going to do it the same way. Put some hot glue. Line up the corners. And then hold it down. Okay, now we'll do this side. Oh, that's a lot of glue. No, it didn't come out. Good. Okay, I'm going to hold it down. And one more for the box. There. Now this is the insert. So with this one, we're going to bend all of these towards the score line, but the little tabs are going to go the other way. So let's do the score lines first for the part that we need to glue. So now they're all bent, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on those inner tabs, just like we did the box. Hold it. And it's a little toasty warm. How many of us still have fingerprints? Okay. Okay, once we have all 4 corners glued, I'm going to take an X-Acto knife, and I have to tell you, I love the Cricut True Control knives, and I've been a graphic designer for over 30 years, back when we used to line up type, and this is the best thing. Okay, so if they don't pop out easy, it means they didn't cut all the way around, and just take the blade and go over the cut lines again. But we want to pop these out to the other side, like that. Like you see, this one isn't going very easily, and I can tell that it's connected on this side. So I'm just going to cut that just a little bit so that it pops out. Okay. That one's good. And this one may not be. Let's see. Nope. And normally I would lay this flat, and I would hang the tabs off the edge of the desk, but I won't be in frame if I do that right now. There. So when you flip it over, we have all these cute little tabs that are going to hold the ornament in place. And then to put the ornament in the box, this is the top, and that slot just allows the ribbon to go behind. We're going to slide the bottom in to those 2 tabs. And if you have trouble getting a tab up, just use any little tool to get it up. And then I put the ribbon down behind, and I'm going to hold the ribbon and the front of the ornament so it stays together, and then slide it into the box. And that makes a nice little gift. I just sent 5 of these to the woman who fostered my rescue dog.